Hello everyone. As the ANC adjourns its National Executive Committee meeting, the former President Thabo Mbeki has objected to it discussing the PhalaPhala report without the party president Cyril Ramaphosa in the room. Earlier, Treasurer General Paul Mashatile told the journalist that Ramaphosa was consulting on the matter. However, he's yet to consult the ANC itself. Thabo Mbeki, who is previously warned the ANC about its lack of preparation to deal with the PhalaPhala saga, has been cited by several insiders as the voice of reason during Friday's short meeting. He said to have told the NEC members that he wanted to look Ramaphosa in the eye when he shared his thoughts on the saga. Ramaphosa, who has failed to take the ANC officials into his confidence, has been meeting with his allies. It is understood that he continues to consult, but some NEC members are already saying that he's disrespected ANC structures and should go. Meanwhile, others say the matter is still being processed, and as a result, there are no sufficient grounds to recall Ramaphosa. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.